Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the 2025 Kia Sportage, a compact SUV that's been turning heads with its stylish design and impressive features. Starting at a base price of $28,565, the 2025 Sportage offers a range of trims to suit various preferences and budgets. Under the hood, the Sportage is equipped with a 187 horsepower 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. While it provides a smooth and comfortable ride, some drivers might find its acceleration a bit modest compared to competitors. Inside, the Sportage truly shines. The cabin boasts a modern design with high-quality materials and a user-friendly layout. One of its standout features is the available 12.3-inch infotainment display, offering crisp graphics and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Space is another area where the Sportage excels. With class-leading cargo room and generous rear seat legroom, it ensures that both passengers and luggage are accommodated comfortably. On the road, the Sportage delivers a comfortable and composed driving experience. However, it's worth noting that its fuel economy is average for the segment, and those seeking a more spirited drive might find the performance to be on the conservative side. In terms of safety, the 2025 Sportage comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, contributing to its recognition as a top safety pick by the IHS. The 2025 Kia Sportage offers a compelling package of style, comfort, and practicality. While it may not be the quickest in its class, its spacious interior, advanced technology, and attractive pricing make it a strong contender in the compact SUV market. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews and updates.